Okay, guys, so this is what I'm left with on the floor. These are stuff that's supposed to be going in the trash. I got, oh shoot, these need to go in the above the thing. But let's work this out. See what's trash and what's staying. say I'll be doing this decluttering and the entire house, but I'm going to do it room by room. So you definitely want to subscribe and stick around for that. Tons of videos coming your way, tons of cleaning, organizing, and decluttering videos coming your way. Just be patient with me because I have two little ones running around, but I'm going to get it done. I'm taking it one day at a time, and I'm going to be taking y'all along the journey with me. So stick around for that, and please do subscribe, guys. It does help me out a lot. I love y'all and I appreciate.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Screwed when we play our roles wish I knew.
So guys, this is what it all turned out to look like. As I said, this is part 3, so I'm gonna leave the link in the description box of part 1 and 2. I'm also commented down and put it in the comment section so you can go ahead and check out the 2 previous parts to this. I know you're gonna enjoy it, and I know the Christmas stuff was still up, but I had filmed this video before Christmas was over, but I would just got sick, and then with the Christmas season and everything, I was just too busy to edit and upload it. But now is the perfect time, so I do apologize about the Christmas decor and my little one playing in the background and making all the noise. I just can't escape them. And I've been living in this space and working with the kitchen, the new layout of the kitchen, for about almost 2 weeks now. And I must tell y'all, it's by the time I'm doing this voice note, and it's been amazing. I don't know why I didn't consider putting the dishes over the sink before and the food over the stove area, but no, it's just perfect. And these are stuff that are going to be donated or repurposed. If I can't repurpose them, then I'll donate them. And then of course, you know, the trash on the floor. By now my hubby had came home and he's watching TV, so I was talking during this part, but I had to mute it and do the voiceover, and I forgot everything. And of course I did a little intro that I'm gonna have to cut out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a like and a comment, and as always, have a blessed day, and I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Mwah.